Awning window installation in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select from custom awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and aluminum awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning Windows Washington companies offer a range of awning window options, ensuring that every customer finds the perfect fit for their home. Energy-efficient awning windows in Washington, D.C. are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Awning window experts in Washington, D.C. can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient awning windows, helping homeowners make informed decisions. For those in need of awning window replacement in Washington, D.C., there are numerous awning window contractors available to address any issues. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex replacement, these professionals have the expertise to restore Awning Windows Washington to their original condition. Awning window maintenance is also crucial to ensure longevity and performance, and many awning window companies in Washington, D.C. offer maintenance services. Awning window replacement in Washington, D.C. is a service offered by many local awning window suppliers. Whether upgrading to more modern designs or replacing damaged windows, these suppliers provide a wide range of awning window materials and awning window hardware to choose from. Awning window quotes and awning window prices can vary, so it's essential to compare options to find the best deal. Custom awning windows in Washington, D.C. allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style. Awning window designs and awning window features can be tailored to fit any architectural style, providing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Awning window solutions in Washington, D.C. are available to help homeowners create the perfect look for their homes. Awning window reviews and awning window ratings in Washington, D.C. can provide valuable insights into the quality and performance of different window options. By reading customer feedback, potential buyers can make informed decisions about which awning window suppliers and awning window contractors to choose. This information is crucial for ensuring satisfaction with the final product. Vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows Washington, D.C. are popular choices due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These materials offer excellent resistance to weather conditions, making them ideal for the Washington, D.C. climate. Awning window accessories can further enhance the functionality and appearance of these windows, providing additional customization options. Awning window benefits in Washington, D.C. extend beyond aesthetics and energy efficiency. These windows offer excellent ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping out rain and debris. Awning window features such as easy operation and secure locking mechanisms add to their appeal, making them a practical choice for any home. Awning window installation Washington, D.C. services are readily available for those looking to upgrade their homes. With a variety of awning window styles and awning window options to choose from, homeowners can find the perfect solution to meet their needs.